full of energy. Earth would be a cold, dark, and empty planet without the sun. Life could not survive. Read on to find out why. The sun lights Earth. Radiant energy is energy that can travel through space. Stars give off radiant energy. The sun is our closest star. Some of its radiant energy travels to Earth as light. This light energy helps people and animals see. Plants use light energy to make their own food. Without light energy from the sun, there could be no plants on Earth. So without the sun, there would be no plants or animals on Earth. The sun's light makes day brighter than night. The sun heats Earth. Other radiant energy from the sun warms Earth's land, air, and water. The sun provides heat energy for the water cycle. During the night, some heat leaves Earth. That is why it is cooler at night than during the day. You cannot see the sun's energy heating Earth, but you can feel it. When you walk on a beach heated by the sun, the sand feels hot. Without the sun's radiant energy, Earth would be too cold for people to live. Plants need light to survive. The sun's energy warms Earth's water. Illustrate the sun to show the two forms of energy it provides and to show how the sun's energy affects the water cycle. Describe the sun below your image. Third grade, we aren't talking about the water cycle yet, so go ahead and do the first part of that. Illustrate the sun to show the two forms of energy it provides.